So I have the GoPro, and that's what I'm using to actually to film this. One reason why I bought the DJI Osmo Action 3 was because I have not really enjoyed the performance of the GoPro, particularly on the battery side of things. The deterioration of the battery was quite rapid, and even having multiple battery packs, the camera would either shut off or freeze, or multiple times I would have to restart it. I really enjoyed the battery performance with the DJI Action Osmo 3, and also the durableness of the outside. And so as you can see here, it comes in a nice wrapped case along with the battery compartment, and then a USB port on the sides. And then the front facing camera is awesome. I don't shoot too much video, just with, in sort of selfie mode in a way, or front facing, but I have found that to be helpful in certain instances where I do. And then comes with a sticker, comes with USB-C. And then each DJI product has these QR codes on each component. So then you scan that and it'll go to a web page that explains more about that specific component. And so then here's the outside case. And this is where you need to be using this on the outside, obviously, when you go underwater. And then another battery. So actually I had one battery that was broken, and then it looks like they gave me a full new package of the DJI along with another battery. So I'm plus one battery out of this. And then here's the mount. And so the mount you just put on. Okay, here is the mount. I'm going to give this a test run today on a bike ride here in Amsterdam. There's magnetic panels basically right here, along with clip-ins on the mount, and I really like how handy it is to just simply lock it in. It's quite sturdy once it is fully locked in. So if I test how sturdy it is when it's locked in, right, it's clipped and clamped in there. I can't get it out. And so then to release it, you just pull these two. And then, as you can see, very strong magnets, obviously, and so that is a huge plus. But then along with the clamps too, it holds it in quite nicely. See? And then you can clamp it in.